Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about.
Good morning, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be focusing on cleaning up the engine bay in the El Camino. So let's get started. Okay, like I said in the intro, in this video, I'm going to be focusing on cleaning up the engine bay, making it look a lot better, painting it and things like that. So let's get started. Alright, so I'm going to start off degreasing underneath. I got some purple power here, purple cleaner, that I'm gonna spray and let sit. Okay, so I couldn't record me spraying all the purple power of everything, but I'm just gonna show you. I got the top of the engine, I got everything on the bottom, and now I'm getting ready to get the water so I can rinse it off. Okay, so I got a lot of the stuff rinsed off with the engine. I used a sprayer, a pump sprayer, just to get it so I don't put water over stuff that don't supposed to be. One thing I forgot is that I can't start the car up to dry it off. So I'm gonna have to, it's probably gonna delay me with painting. So it'll still be part of the same video, but it may be another day because I want to make sure that I get everything dried up and stuff before I start painting. Okay, I've been spraying away and not recording, but as you can see, I got a lot of this stuff here done, and what I'm about to do now is just paint all of this silver. I got the radiator masked off, and I'm going to paint all of this black. Okay, I masked off a little bit more because I got a little scared about overspray, and it's a good thing I did because look at there. All right, so now I got that done. You can probably see it from here, but I'm gonna go ahead and paint the sides over there and over there.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper.
Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature.
Okay, I got all the masking tape removed. I have some overspray on the car, but I'm hoping it'll come out with some you know, with some wax and buffing if I had to. But overall, I think it looks a lot better. Can't really see because of the sun right now, but I think it looks a lot better overall. I'm not sure if you can see it with the sun shining. I still got a little bit more to go, touch up, but this looks a lot better than it did before. So all right, so I'm gonna go ahead now and see if I can change out the wires. Okay, I'm gonna go over it one more time. You can look at it, I got the wires off of it, as you see, and I'll show you the wires in a minute, but got everything off, and I have the wires over here, and I'm gonna show you or I'll tell you a little bit more about it when I go in the garage, but I'm running out of time before it gets dark, so I'm gonna finish up the wires in the garage. Okay, so I'm in my garage. So it's dark outside now, so I have to finish it up. With small block Chevy wires and you got a distributor, the length of the wires is really important, unlike in the LS, because of the way the wires run from the distributor to the plug. So I had to mark all of these wires that I took off so I can put them back in the right order, for one, and that I make sure I got the right wire. As you see right here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Number 2 is the longest wire, if you can see. So on my new wires, I need to make sure that the longest wire is going to be number 2. So that's what I'm going to go ahead and do. I'm going to line them up real fast, and I'm going to go ahead and start putting the heat wrap on it. Okay, I got the boots on the spark plugs, and I got them laid, the spark plug wires, sorry, and I got the spark plug wires, the new ones, the red ones, laid out beside the old ones, the black ones. And the lengths are not perfect, but they're close. So I just want to make sure that I get everything neat when I put it back up under there. So, okay, all the boots are on. I got the wires renumbered, the new wires numbered, so I can put them on. Also, let me show you what I had to also do. This is a picture of the top of this distributor cap, and I just wrote down where the wires go. Just like I said, I don't have much experience with the small block Chevy, but I remember when my dad and my uncles used to work on it, they definitely did. They usually do like one wire at a time, because when you start getting all the wires off, you want to make sure that you get your firing order right. So I just marked down everything like it was before I took it off, so I can make sure I at least put it back. Okay, so picking up where I left off last night, I got the wires all assembled with the heat boots on, and I'm getting ready to walk out to the car right now to get ready to put the wires on. But I decided I'm going to go ahead and spray the clear over the headers before I put the wires on. So it's a little cold out here now, so I might need to heat it up first. We'll see. Okay. The sun is not up now, so you can kind of see what I did with the engine bay. Looks a lot better. So, my handles are pretty cold. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and spray the clear on them, and that should make them shine a little bit. It's high temp clear, so all right, I sprayed my first coat of clear over it, and it is high temp clear, 4 headers. So see how that side look, and over here on this side. So I'm probably gonna do another couple of coats on that, and then I'll get to the wires. Okay, so the headers all dried up on both sides, and that's how they're gonna look. It's a satin finish, and like I said before, this is high temp clear as well as high temp paint. And I'll show you the can. That's the satin clear, and of course this is the flame proof header paint. Okay, I got the wires on it, and got the heat boots on it to keep the headers from burning the wires. So I'm done up under the hood now. And if you can't really see a difference, I'll take a picture to show the difference in how it looked versus how it used to look. Okay, that does it. So let me go ahead and close out the video. And I'm telling you, video does not do it any justice of how this car looks or how up under the engine bay looks now versus when I did it before. I'm gonna put in a picture of before and after if I can get a good one and show you. Okay, just finished wrapping up getting the engine bay cleaned up, and like I said before, the camera doesn't do it any justice. It's like 10 times different from before versus how it looks now. So I got the engine bay cleaned up. Now I'm just waiting for my starter. So whenever my starter come, I can go ahead and put that on and get this car fired up and to see if the misfire is gone. Thanks again for watching. Click subscribe, click like, and click share, and I'll see you in the next video.